little tag, it could be an embellishment, it could be a Christmas tree decoration. So I'm going to show you how I made it. It was so quick and easy. Only needed a few things. I've repurposed things. I've got a little short clip just before I go into the process of making this, just showing you some of the things that I used, but then I did add some, obviously I didn't show this and I didn't show that, and I think that was pretty much it. So yeah, I will show you how I made this. So what you're going to need to do this project is some string, a little bow maker, or if you're good at tying bows, do them yourself. I'm rubbish at them. A pair of scissors, you will need some glue, I've got some jingle bells, I've got some words, I have got 2 stars which I don't have a die cut for the stars, so I went online, and I'll put the link below. I think it's Homemade Gifts Made Easy, and you can download templates for stars and other shapes. So I've downloaded quite a few different sizes of stars. You will need whoops, just try to put that back. I then cut the stars out and I attached them to, you know, these old the envelope Amazon things that you get like thinner things in. So I stuck the stars, cut the stars out, stuck them onto this. You'll need some paper, that's what I've done there. We're going to cover all these up anyway. Could have used them as my templates and done them again, but I haven't. 2 bits of paper, 3 bits possibly. I'm going to use a bit of coffee dyed paper as well, some embellishments, and just use what you have, okay? So the next bit, I'm just going to work along doing these, play some music, and you can just watch the process.